To request an interpreter or real-time captioner or transcriber for a meeting or event, go to www.pdx.edu/disability-resource-center. Navigate to Forms Agreements in the menu bar and select Form Request ASL Interpreting or Captioning for Meeting/Event. Navigate to the form titled Request ASL Interpreters or Real-Time Captioners for an Event or Meeting. Enter your name. Under Course, Department Name, or Event Organizers. If you are a student requesting interpreting or captioning for this event because it is required for a class, enter the course number. If the meeting or event is not required for a class, or you are a department requesting this service, enter the department name or the name or names of the event organizers. Enter your phone number. Enter your email address. Under Index Number for Billback, if you are a student requesting services for a class, enter N/A. If you are an event organizer or department, please enter your index number, as we may need to bill you for this service. You can contact our office at 503-725-6504 or drcterp@pdx.edu if you have questions. Enter the name or title of the event. Enter the location of the event. Enter the start date. Note that it is best if you request interpreting or captioning services for an event at least 5 days prior to the event. That gives us the best opportunity to arrange for the service. If we receive a request that is less than 5 days in advance, we will do our best to make arrangements, but we may not be able to provide this service. Enter the start time and end time. If this is a recurring event, enter the additional days and times in the recurring event field. Leave this field blank if it is a one-time event. Select the request type. If you are requesting American Sign Language interpreting, select ASL Interpreting. If you are requesting real-time captioning or transcribing, select Real-Time Captioning, CART. If you are using any types of media, please enter that information. If you have any additional comments or information that you would like to provide, please enter it. If you want to receive a copy of this request, check the box and enter your email address. If you don't want to receive a copy, simply leave the box unchecked. Navigate to Submit and select that. If you need to enter a second request, you can simply refresh the page and a new blank form will appear for you. Again, if you have any questions, you can contact us at drcterp@pdx.edu or by phone at 503-725-6504.